so I tried this video last time, and my microphone didn't work. Okay, so anyways, it's updating, and I want to see the update with you guys. So I'm trying to not focus on the bomb, but it's so hard. But it looks like it's pranker again. Why? Why pranks? I hate jokes, okay? Oh my god, coyotes! I love Autumn Coyote. Oh my god, this is my life, this is me. Yeah, I love it. It's gonna be my new main look. We're going to make a main look thing. Wait, I need raise. The mystery of the temple of the ancients have been solved. Juno, an ancient Arctic wolf, helped to seal away pollution or to keep it safe. Jammers are invited to visit the temple ancients to read in the message Juno left behind. Following this, why? And okay, National Bee Day. I hope people actually start learning things instead of stupid prayers. Wild Peaks. Whoa! I really want to learn this. Okay, I have to go there. I need reads. I really do. Double gems, cool. I know. Oh god, you're back. I don't like you. Is that bar? I don't know. What is that? What is anything in this whole entire thing? I don't know. I hate it. No, it really annoys me. New buddy. School is back in season for lots of new jammers. I don't need buddies. Oh my god. They got a new one. I want these. I want them. They're so adorable. Okay, come on. They're adorable. Okay. Oh, I'm already in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. You know what? We're going blues. Oh my god. Did they brought new... God. We can beat Juno! See? It's Juno. At least I'm rich. She's like, buy all this. I'm fine. This is why I saw... Awesome. Juno is awesome. Spoiler. Go away, spoiler. Go away. There's a spoiler. Yeah, I hate spoilers. This doesn't help. All I wanted was this autumn coyote. Give me the autumn. I don't care what it's called. Just give me it. Oh god. Oh, okay. Please stop, everyone. There's a raccoon tail to fool your friends. Buying everything. That's it. No, cool with kids. You know what? I don't care. This is actually a cool update. Who wants today's fix? I don't. I'm going to my dad. God. Whoa, Juno is awesome. They should bring another Arctic wolf because those are cool. I have to wear a bunch of stuff. Oh, this is so cool. I love it. What do I like more? I like this more. I like this more. Tail. That looks cool. Whoa, the colors are so cool. If anyone's trying to ruin my life, you're never gonna happen. It's never gonna happen. Okay. Oh my god. Though none of these actually do the thing it does. So I'm just gonna sort of get the normal eyes. I'm actually not knowing what I'm making. But maybe we should be doing that. And for Juno... Wait, eyes. And then... This doesn't have what I want. we're gonna keep that, and we're going to keep that pattern, and have this yellow, and we need purple. Just need purple. You know what? That's close enough. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, since it's time for some fun facts. So, we're gonna look for some fun facts. I haven't done this in a while, okay? Oh, I found one. It's in Jamaa. A group of honeybees is called colony of space swarm. I want that bee. I want that bee. Bees are cool. Oh god, that looks creepy. Wait, if it's white... Oh, it gets creepy. How if I do that? And then, yeah, we're just gonna see. Okay, I want fuzzy. I don't want that, I want this. That's fuzzy. Now we're gonna keep it as a normal one. Oh, that's good. There. Hot duck. No, it's gonna have something better. Flies. Pokey fly. And of course, I don't have gems. I can't buy it. Ugh. What can we sell to buy one? You know what? There's now bee antennas in stores, which is, I think, cool. I wanna sell some things. Also, it's plenty for them. That's why I have some stuff. Okay, let's buy some bee antennas. You know what? We don't need a pet bee if we're already a bee. Come on, this is a bee, right? I'm a bee, I'm a little bee. Jump, 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 I'm a bee. Do we still have a lion? Do we still have a lion meat? Yes, we have a lion's meat still. Okay, that's good. Because I'm losing all my items that were actually rare. And I thought, maybe we could look up what these things are worth. But, you know, I'm too cool for some of those people. I don't have a touchscreen, by the way. I wish I did. Let's see here. This. 430. I hate that so much. Oh, it's like a crystal spiked collar on Playboy. Okay, I'm done with the jokes. Now, I did a joke when I found this like made. Just saying. Let's go buy 1 billion of these on my other account and just trim off to my other, to my main. I mean, real bees don't have blue, but we're a magical one. But I really like all the colors, which is an issue. Okay, so I went on my other account and found out that there's more than just one item to buy, which is an issue because I don't want to do this today. Oh, right, we're in a small tiny area with no people around. Okay, let's see here. So it looks like they got, of course, a few non-member items, which, I mean, thanks, but why do we need milk again? This isn't pranks. Okay, maybe this is, what? It's a chair, though. Animal Jam is so creative. So creative. You know? People spend their time just buying gang spikes, but I have no friend. Fake spires! Okay, I get it. And then, wait, that's fine, that's fine. We're totally fine. I'm not gonna freak out or anything, but okay. Okay. How many gems do we have so we can buy some antennas because they're Your Crush. I think Animal Jam just ended. This is called Animal Jam ending. Everything went bad. Everything is going bad. No. I'm just reloading. I just reloaded on this because everything hated me. And of course, let's just go through this way. So, my god, I really am hating how Animal Jam does this thing. My den is not low. That's because I was starting a video and I didn't want to do that. And, you know, I gotta put there since everything hates me now. R16 is still my bite for some reason. Oh, on the sky. Because now my mom can go follow whoever she wants and go buy antennas without blue. No blue. We don't want blue. There is a freaking red hair. I just forgot about my money. And that's what happens. Gotta go sell these items so I can buy more. Just one more. I promise that's all the colors, I hope. What we got? Okay, I think we got all, and the loud music's annoying me, and that's how you finish up the job. Do we have any necklaces? I think I would like an eagle hat. I think so. We put that on our trade list. And it's totally worth something you can buy in stores. It's something that's actually going to die soon. I think that's fair. Well, now I'm lazy. So, I have to go, man. Oh, right. I need to get out of my if I want this to work. All these antennas. Also, I gave myself something that I do not know if it's a Denbei or not. I don't know. I accepted it though for my nerds. I don't care about nerds. I want to be on rare so bad. So yeah, I just got a bunch of antennas, and guess what? None of them will go on this end because it's special. But at least now we can actually do something evil. If I had spikes, it would work. Okay, so first you do that, and then you go here, and then red. Do we have a blue one? Yeah, but I think red. And then there you go. You have yourself a real life stinger. A stinger. You know, sakes, I chase my buddies around with this stinger. It's so useful. Now you keep this stinger on forever. Because now you seriously have an evil bee with real antennas this time. Hopefully brought bee wings. That would be cool. Look at this old one. This one's old. This is the newer one. This is a new one. Even though we have like millions. That antenna works. Or this one. No, I think. There. Actually, you know what? Oh god, that's not sitting. Okay. Now we just go and get some wings. These wings are not as edgy as those. Look, Mr. Monkey. I'm so evil and edgy. You left. Oh, okay. So I have 2,000 money because I sold a bunch of things, and if I was just buying the bee antenna, but then I forgot we need to buy the bees, the new bees.